AI that turns selfies into Pixar characters. Ever wondered what you'd look like as a Pixar character? With Fotor or Lensa AI, you can find out in seconds. Just upload a selfie, choose a style, Pixar, anime, comic book, or dozens more, and the AI does the magic. Your photo transforms into a full-on digital artwork. No drawing skills, no expensive software, just fun, creative portraits you can use for profile pics, content, or to surprise your friends. It's one of the most entertaining AI hacks for creators. Like this if you want to try it, and follow for more creative AI tools.